This came directly from the developer 17 hours ago. So as of this recording, it's November 27th. So all this had to happen around November 26, 2025. I'll go through what the developer wrote himself and said, but long story short, the app isn't like shutting down. Like we're used to these APKs shutting down and we never see them again. This is not the case this time. All that's happening is we just got to wait until another version of the app is released. So with that being said, let's go to this statement here. So, friends, it seems like my digital signature has been exposed. This signature protects the app from fake, malicious updates. So there is a risk that someone may try to release counterfeit versions under my name. To completely eliminate any threats, I decided to stop using this current signature and switch to a new one. Because of this, the app's identifier will also change. You do not need to delete the old app, but it will no longer receive updates. The new one will install as a separate app and will need to be configured again. So to explain this further, if you guys are seeing on your Firesticks and your Android TV devices, Google, Chromecast, whatever it is, if you start to notice that the SmartTube app has completely went away and you didn't do anything, this is why. Moving forward, we will have to find a legit copy of this app. I did a video before. I'll link it in the video description of this video, but this video is basically a guide to where to find the official links to install the apps on our TV devices. But I bring this up because some of you guys may be thinking, okay, how do I find the legit version of this app? I'm gonna look for it myself. Like as of today, I can say I doubt that I'll be able to find the correct version. Seems like the developer may not have put out the official version yet, but as soon as I find it, I'm gonna put it in that video. If you watch that video, you'll understand what I mean by put it in that video. So just to recap again, no, SmartTube is not shutting down, it's not leaving, it's coming back. If you have any follow-up questions, just meet me down in the comment section, because since this news just kind of broke, I may be finding out information like as time goes by. So I'll continue the conversation in the comments with you guys if needed. That's all. I just want to drop in for an update. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.